Users NAT code GitHub Laris Co NAT as agents Greek letter Psi memory retrospectives December 9th 2025. Partition questing Nebula says, done. I've enhanced the retrospective with Obsidian wiki links. NN changes made. NN1. Franma.
Starting coda. Wiki links file 18.
Partition questing Nebula says, done. Updated the retrospective with NN1. Franmitter additions. Added parent and created. Partition questing Nebula says, done. Added comprehensive wiki links throughout the file. NN changes made. N1. Session summary.
Starting coda. Wiki links file 19.
Partition questing Nebula says, done. Here's what I added to the file. NN file. Users NAT code GitHub Laris Co NAT as agent.
Starting coda. Wiki links file 17. Starting coda. Wiki links file 15. Starting coda. Wiki links file 13. Starting coda. Wiki links file 11.
Partition questing Nebula says, done. File updated with NN1. Franmitter enhanced. Added parent reference to retrospectives. Partition questing Nebula says, done. I've enhanced the retrospective with targeted wiki links throughout. NN changes made. N1. Partition questing Nebula says, perfect. I've completed the task. The file now has NN changes made. N1. Franmitter. Elria. Partition questing Nebula says, done. I've added Obsidian wiki links to the retrospective file with NN changes made. NN1. In. Partition questing Nebula says, done. Enhance the retrospective with Obsidian wiki links. NN changes made. NN1. Franmitter.
Starting coda. Wiki links file 28 Sonnet. Starting coda. Wiki links file 21 Sonnet. Starting coda. Wiki links file 26 Sonnet. Starting coda. Wiki links file 24 Sonnet. Starting coda. Wiki links file 29 Sonnet.
Partition questing Nebula says, perfect. The file has been successfully updated with comprehensive Obsidian wiki links throughout. Capital H.
Starting coda. Wiki links file 25 Sonnet. Starting coda. Wiki links file 27 Sonnet. Starting coda. Wiki links file 30 Sonnet. Starting coda. Wiki links file 23 Sonnet.
Partition questing Nebula says, done. Edits applied. NN file. Users NAT code GitHub Laris Co NAT as agents Greek letter Psi memory retros. Partition questing Nebula says, done. I've enhanced the retrospective file with Obsidian wiki links. NN added wiki links throughout.
Starting coda. Wiki links file 22 Sonnet.
Partition questing Nebula says, done. I've added wiki links throughout the retrospective. NN wiki links added. N1. Oracle Phyllis. Partition questing Nebula says, perfect. I've completed adding comprehensive Obsidian wiki links throughout the entire retrospective. Partition questing Nebula says, done. I've added NN Franmitter, N title, tags, created date, parent reference NN wiki links.
Starting coda. Wiki links file 39 Sonnet. Starting coda. Wiki links file 36 Sonnet. Starting coda. Wiki links file 31 Sonnet. Starting coda. Wiki links file 32 Sonnet. Starting coda. Wiki links file 33 Sonnet.
Partition questing Nebula says, done. I've enhanced the retrospective with wiki links. NN enhancements made. NN1. Oracle Fill.
Starting coda. Wiki links file 35 Sonnet. Starting coda. Wiki links file 38 Sonnet.
Partition questing Nebula says, done. I've added NN1. Franmitter with title, tags, created timestamp, and parent link N2. W. Partition questing Nebula says, done. I've added Obsidian wiki links throughout the retrospective file. NN wiki links added. N1. Partition questing Nebula says, done. I've successfully added Obsidian wiki links to the retrospective file. Partition questing Nebula says, done. The retrospective file now has NN1, complete Franmitter, added parent field pointing. Partition questing Nebula says, done. Added Franmitter, created timestamp, parent link, and wiki links throughout the retrospective. Partition questing Nebula says, done. Added Franmitter and Obsidian wiki links to users NAT code GitHub Laris Co NAT as agents.
Starting coda. Wiki links file 34 Sonnet.
Partition questing Nebula says, done. Added Franmitter with metadata and wiki links throughout the retrospective. NN changes made. Partition questing Nebula says, done. Added fragmenter with parent link. Enriched the document with Obsidian wiki links throughout.
Starting cover, wiki links file 37 Sonnet.
Partition questing Nebula says, done. I've added. Partition questing Nebula says, done. I've enhanced the retrospective file with NN fragmenter added, and title, tags, session. Partition questing Nebula says, done. I've added NN fragmenter, and title, tags, retrospective, bug fix, hooks, Claude voice no. Partition questing Nebula says, done. Added fragmenter with parent field and enriched the retrospective with Obsidian wiki links. Partition questing Nebula says, done. Added wiki links throughout the retrospective. NN what changed. And added wiki links to Claude. Partition questing Nebula says, perfect. The file has been updated with NN1, fragmenter enhancements, and added created T.
เสร็จแล้วค่ะ